Good morning everyone. Now I just want to try and get this right. I do have some paper kits that I said were themed that I wouldn't put into other things really, so I'm just going to sell them off as a bag of scrapbooking cards and that. Now the first one is this. It's going in the shop. I'm going to put them all in the shop, but I just wanted to share with you what was in them. Now this is lots of pictures. So just quickly show you some of them. Right, it's got all these vintage pictures. What's this? And just, oops, they're sliding everywhere. They are like, they've got a gloss to them. There's lots of different ones. See, vintage women and couples. And then maybe of use to somebody who's doing a collage or something like that. But there's just loads. So that's good. I mean, there's dozens, absolutely dozens, as you can see, of pictures. And I just wanted you to see what you're getting. So that's one set, and it, like I say, I'll just call it the picture set, and it's going in the shop. And if you want it, you'll have to go grab it. It's always first come, first serve, unless I do it individually, you know, on here. For you to choose on the actual video. So when it's in the shop, it is first come, first serve. Oops. So that's that one. And that's the picture set. The next one I've got is this one. A lot of it's cut. All you have to do is just do whatever you want to do to the pages or pieces. And this, I'm not sure what this set was. What was this one? Sweet Sentiments. They're, you know, all your little bits. So it's really basically done, ready for you to just, you know, serrate the edges or whatever you want to do with them, and colour them, rip them, do whatever you want to do. I don't, yeah, they're double-sided. There's lots of little bits and pieces. I bought this one when I wanted to do a, well, I did do, not wanted to, a box, a baby's box, a boy's box for somebody in work. So there is plenty in it to, you know, you could do a whole journal with this one. There's plenty. I love this. Look at this. Just beautiful. And I mean, I've put that in. I don't know whether it belonged to it. I thought it just looked really nice with it. And there's that one. And then you've got some smaller ones that are like that. Some cards like that. And then those I've put in as well. So you've got all of that. And they will be in the shop shortly. Make a nice little, well, it'll do several things, to be honest. You know, there's enough there to do a few projects. You can, even if you're only just doing a tag or something. So that's that one. This one, Lady's Diary. This is all a lady's diary. I had several books, and I'm not actually going to get all of this out because you can see there is loads in it. Absolutely loads. The stickers are in it. The pictures are in it. Oh, let me just... Oh, I know it's going to go all over if I do this. But look. So you've got bits like this. You've got those. Oh, you've got one of those. Lots of these. They're all cut because I cut them ready for me. You might just want to trim them out, that's all. So you've lots of stickers. You've got these. Right, and in this lot you've got borders. You have lots of, and I put some of those in as well. I had loads spare. Like I say, you've got borders, you've got all sorts. All the cards. There's several there. All those, there's some more vintage pictures in this one. All the stamps. Some are cut ready, you see, because I was using them. There's another one. But as you can see, there's loads. What's that one? That was, sorry, that's off the other one. I'll have to put that in. Printed paper I've done, more cards. And then you've two of those. Two. There's the other one. Plus you've the big sheets in the back. Oh, I'm going to get it all back in now. So this is a huge, this was 3 pads in one that I've managed to salvage as much as possible from them. Just pop that in. I'm just going to start putting it in like this. And I used to love this one when it first came out. I need to find out where that is actually. It's in a box somewhere. It took me ages to do. I did it with the first book that came out. I know that doesn't go in there, but I put it in there because I think it'll be great for somebody. It's right style. And as you can see, this is a lot of card. And it's from 3 books. And none of these were cheap, I can tell you that. Because when they came out, when they first came out, they sold them and they were quite expensive. And then as the next one came out, then they'd cheapen these, so... yeah. Oops. I'll pick that up. There's loads in this one, absolutely loads. You don't need a plastic bag, do you? Oh. So you scrapbookers out there, nice treat. I'll put the other piece in when I stand up. I'll leave it open there. That one can go in that one. Oh, I'll do that in a minute. Right, the next one. Halloween. Oops, that goes in there, mate. I'm just gonna... I don't really want to get it all out. There's lots of cards. Yeah. All to do with Halloween sort of things. Different things. I mean, that's even got tag things on, look. And you've got those. Once upon an airy tale. Oh, look, loads and loads for somebody to play around with. Then you've got the larger pieces. Different ones. Oh, what's that? Oh. Postcard. I mean, anyone who's really good doing, you know, anything with card. This is a really good set to have in your arsenal. Oh dear. Isn't it? It's a really good set. It's had one piece out, look. That's the only thing with that one. I don't think any other is like it. They're all complete, more or less. And the card. So, see if we can get that back in. No, no, no. There we go. So, that is that one. I'm just going to call it the Halloween kit. Alright. So that's that one. Another one here is a Circus. I mean, there's literally dozens and dozens here. They're all cut ready to use. There's just heaps. Look. And then you've got all the big pages. All the borders, stamps. There is loads here. It's unbelievable how much is here. Okay, so that is another. I'm not going to get all of it out because there's too many little pieces. It's too early in the morning. And I'll just put the link to this video so that people can come along and have a look, because it is a brilliant, oops, brilliant one. So that's that one. And this is the last one, and it's huge. It's huge. I can't really say what it is, but you can see what it is. All about these. Because otherwise I get my video banned. But that is completely chockablock, as you can see. I don't think that's supposed to be in there, is it? Isn't that supposed to be in the other one? Oh, Let me make sure I've got it in the right one. I put it in the wrong one. I think I put that in the wrong one. Yeah, that's in the wrong one. Sorry. Sorry, I do apologise. But you can still see there's only a few pages. Look, it is stashed. Let me just get some out. Look. There's all sorts in it. So anyone who likes to do anything for with these, you know, scrapbooking for them. There's other bits and pieces in it as well. There's lots and lots and lots of lovely goodness in that. What's that for? That goes in that one. Sorry, I got them in the wrong in the mixed one. I mixed them up, I think. Yeah. There's just heaps, as you can see. Loads of things. Now that's going to weigh something, so if you are abroad, just remember it will cost. That's really heavy, this one. I mean, it's going to weigh something for the UK, because it's chocker. See? So, we've got that one, which I can't mention. I'm going to put this in with the one it's supposed to go in. We've got the Lady's Diary, which I just picked that piece up off the floor. That's it. And I can close that one up. There's lots of pictures in them all. We've got the Circus. The Halloween one. The Once Upon a Time one, which is where they belong. And then we've got the picture one. And they're all on the website. Or they will be shortly. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Speak to you all soon. Grab them while you can.